have been talking about the Galaxy Note 10 Pro for quite a while now. Rumors keep on saying the Galaxy Note 10 Pro will have a significant design change compared to Galaxy S10 and Galaxy S10 Plus, and it's look like that was true. We got our first look at the handset courtesy of own leaks and very reputable leaker who have been right almost all time. These render are based on official factory CAD drawing. These are not fan-made concept render. These are based on systematic that Samsung gives to various case makers for them to make cases in advance so that they are already available before the launch of the handset. That being said, we can see some significant design change. The hole is at the center just like the Galaxy Note 10 base model. On the back we can see camera is now placed vertical position just like Galaxy A9 Pro. So there are 4 cameras on the back with primary camera, telephoto camera and a ultra wide angle lens, and there is a 4th sensor which is ToF 3D depth sensor. So it's look like Galaxy Note 10 Pro feature the signature boxy look of the previous Note devices. We can see edge-to-edge display with curved edges. Well, on the front we can see very minimum bezel on the top and on the bottom. Not only that, Samsung managed to make them very thinner than the one of the Galaxy S10 Plus. You can also see the curve are more aggressive than the Galaxy S10 Plus, which was also rumored in the past. Personally, I love the curved edges, so it's great news for guys who like the curved edges. Now another big change you can see is that there is no button on the right edge of the device. They move power button to the left, which means there is left now you will find the volume rocker, power button, and there is no big speed button. And yes, on the bottom there is no headphone jack. We will miss headphone jack in future Samsung smartphone. So there is a USB type C which support UFS 3.0. So there is a 4500 mAh battery with 45 watt for charging. So that's all guys. If you like this video, press the like button. Let me know your thought on Galaxy Note 10 Pro. I will catch you next video. Till then, goodbye.